Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install any local printer in your Windows 11 and 10 and how to do this. Let's get started. First open your settings and then go over to devices. Now here just click on printers and scanners, and then if you don't find your printer here, just click on add a printer. Now once it refreshes, a button will appear here which says the printer that I want isn't listed. Just click on this and then click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Just click on next, and here just drop down the menu, and here you'll find your local printer. Just click on this and then click on next, and then just select your printer model here. Just click on next and click on finish, and it will automatically download the driver designed for this. And yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.